Hi friends, it's Julia. I just wanted to show you what I'm pulling out to make some Christmas tags this month. I pulled out a lot of random stuff. I always pull out way more than what I think I'm going to need or want to use. I have all of these things that I have embossed, all these pieces of paper. I pulled those in. These are all tags made from leftover scraps and leftover Christmas cards. Yeah, so I have tons that I just went through and die cut out. These are all tags or pieces that I have die cut out, circles, squares, rectangles, ovals, yeah, with just scraps of white cardstock. These are a set of cut apart tags from a Recollections paper pack. This is a packet of scraps from random Christmas papers. This has just been in my stash a while. I have a lot of SEI, I think that's not KI Memories, Scenic Route. Yeah, so lots of randomness. Just a couple little random paper stickers. Pouch with lots of little tiny scraps. More things that I have punched out. I have hills and grass. A Christmas tree shape. In this little box I have some things like there's a couple of doilies in here, there's a couple of chipboard pieces in here, a couple of bows, some randomness. You guys know me, I hang on to randomness. In here are bits and pieces from this Christmas, everything that I have punched or cut out or stamped, it's all in here. Plus I have a boatload of tags out of scraps, and I'm going to use these actually to create some tags for Christmas. And then this one is, I think, from last year or the year before, stuff that I have been plugging along at. There's die cut pieces in here. There's random embellishments. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I'm going to try and get some of this used up too. But I think I'm going to shoot for 6 to 12 tags. We'll see. Plus I have randomness in these. I have sequins. I have snowflakes. I have more sequins. And I have little Merry Christmas words, and there's just all sorts of punch outs in there. And then I have this bowl of brads and photo anchors and just random stuff that's been sitting on my desk for a while. So it's kind of all going into this Mod Podge of things to create some tags with. Anyway, I'll be back in just a minute to show you the tags. Alright, here are the cards or the tags. Okay, here are the tags, and I used hardly anything that I pulled out to use. I got one of my bags full of embellishments that I had already stamped or cut, fussy cut. I pulled in some of the sequins. I pulled in my ribbon jar. And on the back of each of these I just put 2. That's all. Nothing fancy on the back side. That is a embossed piece of paper that I had cut down to a circle size. Some of these bits and pieces I popped up on foam adhesive. Yeah, but all of this stuff is from the leftovers bin. This was actually a piece of a Christmas card that I cut out. That's something I die cut and made. That is something I stamped and colored in. Everything on this one, I die cut this, I stamp, and fussy cut those. So those two are very similar. These two are very similar. These two are very similar. You'll see as I go through, there's a lot that have that same feel. I used a ton of ribbon scraps. I used a ton of embellishments. I had a lot of fun creating these tags, and this will be a good start to our holiday season this year. I think this has to be my favorite card of all, my favorite tag of all. Yeah, so yeah. Alright guys, that's it. I made 12 tags. I was going to shoot for 15, but I ended up making 12. And I'm very glad that I was able to use so much of my supplies. And I hope it inspires you to get into your stash. Now, I know that Moira and several others are going to do this Christmas on the 25th of every month. And I'm participating. I may not be part of their blog hop or whatever they're doing for that, but I'm participating because I want to get ahead on making some Christmas things. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.